Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about Msconfig. I'm going to show you how to disable startup items in the startup menu tab. And first of all, to access this, go ahead and click on Start, Run Msconfig, and it will bring you this window. Go ahead and click on Startup, and you'll see all your startup items. Once that appears, go ahead and move your location to the right, so you have this expanded area so you could view the applications more. Okay, now once you do that, go ahead and browse through your applications. There's some things that you should disable, some things you shouldn't. Some people have disabled all and not had a problem, but just in case you don't want to mess up anything, go ahead and only disable the applications you know that you don't really need. For example, in the beginning here, you got System32 stuff, which I would keep enabled. I mean, they're part of your system. I don't know if you actually need them to boot up Windows. I'm not exactly sure what all this is. If it's updates, install shields, anything like that that requires updates, leave enabled. If you move down, this is the stuff you could actually start disabling. For example, you got iTunes Helper. If you Google that, what iTunes Helper does is when you first turn on your computer, it'll run that. So if you're gonna use iTunes, when you double click on it, the shortcut, it'll open up a lot faster. And you know, I don't really use iTunes as much, and I don't think it's necessary as of right now, like when you turn on your computer. So go ahead and uncheck that. QP service is quick play. You know, it plays DVDs, media files. I don't need that. I have my own application for that. KT task, QuickTime, also I don't really need. So you can go ahead and uncheck that. You got something like Microsoft Office. I wouldn't want that really booting up with my computer, and I'll only use it when I open the application myself, so I can uncheck that. HP PhotoSmart you could do. I'm just gonna leave that. Things like that you should disable. AIM, you know, simple things like that. When you go up again, these are a little bit more complicated to tell exactly what they are. These are install shields. I know they're updates. Anything for the computer. Windows Media Player, I guess you could, but I guess I use that too a lot, so I'm going to keep enabled. And you should keep Java as well, and wireless stuff like that. Wireless Assistant, I don't know if you really need that, but things like Java, which mostly, you know, a lot of applications use, you should keep. System32, anything that says System32, stuff like that you should keep. But when it comes down to applications that you know, like AIM, QuickTime, you know, you just read it right here. You could pretty much uncheck without having a problem. And then once you're done, go ahead and click on Apply. It's going to ask you to restart your computer, but you don't have to. For example, I'll say Apply. My mouse isn't moving. Give me a second. Go ahead and click on Apply. And then say Close. And then say Exit without restart. And next time you restart your computer, you're going to get a message, and just click a box that says do not show me this in the future, and you should be good. And if you want to undo any changes, you can just go ahead and click on Start, Msconfig, and then just say Enable All. That's pretty much it, and your computer will boot up a lot faster. If you have any questions, please send me a message or comment or anything like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe.